What up, y'all? I'm back, tripping with Trip, and today I'm finna show y'all why y'all should vlog. Cuz, no, I'm playing. Hey, cut. What up, my country cousins? This is Tripping with Trip, man. Welcome back to the show. If this is your first time pulling up on me, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share the content. We finna kick it. We finna get into some real stuff. Today, what I got for y'all, man, vlog. Wrong. All right, cut. 3. What up, my country cousins? Welcome back to Tripping with Trip. If this is your first time pulling up on me, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe so we can get this content and get these viewers up. Also, don't forget, man, the Scraps Club raffle is still going on. Once I get to 100 subscribers, 5 of y'all are gonna win some Scraps Club merch, whether that be a t-shirt, whether that be a hat, bag, something. I don't know. I'll figure out something. But 5 of y'all are gonna win, but we gotta get to 100. The way we get to 100 is by y'all liking and sharing the content, sharing the videos when I post them up. Today we're about to get into some vlogs, man. I'm finna show y'all my setup, show y'all where I vlog at, and why I vlog. I don't know why I'm running over my words. Where I vlog, how I vlog, and why I vlog. That's what I'm getting into today. So y'all stay tuned, check out the video, check out this dope intro. Hey, y'all see me on top of that truck, ghost riding it, right? I'm wild like that. But y'all stay tuned, I'm coming back. Boop. Hey. She wasn't fucking with me then. Nah. Don't come around me acting brand new. Don't go like that. If you wasn't fucking with me then, keep it that same way. That's trill shit.
When I was broke, I couldn't pull hoes. I wasn't stacking dough, I was a lame on the low. But you wouldn't fuck.
This is my vlogging setup. It's minimal, it's possible. All I have is the Canon EOS camera, Canon EOS RP, an iPhone, and a MacBook Pro. It's pretty much all I use to get the job done. And where I vlog from is my kitchen. So, oh, there's a ring light too. I use a ring light. But yeah, man, I just use my kitchen to vlog, man. This is a spot where the lighting is okay, it's decent. I can use my ring light or, you know what I'm saying, the above lights. Depending on how I feel that day. But these are the tools that I use, man. It's very simple, easy to use, easy to get into. And I'm using right now to film this is the GoPro Silver 7. The GoPro Silver 7, it's small, it's handy. You can take it anywhere. You can do whatever you need to do with it. Like I told y'all in previous videos. But this is the big boy right here, the Canon EOS. This Canon was probably like $1,300, I believe. But it's all right for a vlog camera or just a camera in general. It came with, this is the lens that it came with. But that's it for my setup. Like I don't have a lot of high-tech stuff. I don't have a lot of Gucci stuff. I just have a ring light, camera, tripod, MacBook, a GoPro, and a phone. That's all I use for my setup. So essentially when I vlog, man, this is pretty much how I do it. I sit right here in my spot. I have YouTube or something pulled up right here. And then whatever video I'm doing today, I have my notes right here. And then I just hit record and I go from there. Whatever comes out, comes out. And then after that, after it comes out, after I'm satisfied, I jump into iMovie. I'll plug my camera into my computer. And then I'll jump into iMovie. And then this is where I edit a lot of my stuff. All of it, actually. This is when I redid my intro. It's all the footage I took. And the music that I put in there. And the green screens. So that's pretty much my setup. That's my process. So actually, no, let me run down my process. So what I do is how I start. How I start any vlog is I'll start with an idea or just how I'm feeling that day. And then I'll just create an outline. I'll create an outline for the idea that I'm talking about. And I'm not perfect at writing outlines at all right now. So my content probably seems all over the place or like I'm talking in circles, but as I'm doing these more often and I'm trying to become more organized with my thoughts, my outlines are starting to become more organized as well. So it'll prevent me from talking in circles or sounding like I'm rambling. That's a goal that I'm trying to get to, is an organized, well planned out video. So I'll start with an idea or just how I'm feeling. And after I write my outline, I'll try to rehearse it in my head, hit the important parts that I feel I want to say and want to convey and get out. Rehearse it, go over it, make sure I'm conveying it right. And then after that, it's go time. After that, it's go time. Hit record, roll into the intro. What's up, y'all? This is Trippin' with Trip. Welcome back to the show. If you're new, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new here, if you're returning, appreciate it for pulling up on me. Pull up on me! And then, whatever happens. That's what comes out, and that's what comes out. You do get kind of nervous. You don't know what you're gonna say. You don't know what to say. You don't know how you're gonna sound saying it. Once I get more comfortable on camera, that's when things will start to come out more smoothly and it'll flow together better. I'm working on it. I'm getting there. Just give me some time. Work with me now. Work with me. That's the gist of it, man. This is why you should vlog. It's not that hard to do. It's all a matter of organizing your thoughts, having a message that the people want to hear, and not being boring. Because once you become boring, like, nobody want to listen to you. Nobody want to. And then also, what I also just learned today was figuring out how to search keywords. Like, knowing what people are looking at right now. Like, knowing if your content is gonna be widely searched to get a lot of views, because it makes no sense to make content that people aren't looking at or people aren't searching right now. So that's something I learned today. So I'm gonna try to apply that. I got a video coming for y'all for single parents and parents who are being alienated. That's what I'm gonna work on after this video. But this is my vlog setup, man. So like I told y'all, my setup is very, very minimal. It's nothing too Gucci. It's not a lot of high-tech stuff. It's just a camera, a Canon camera, a GoPro 7 silver, a MacBook, a phone, and a ring light. That's it, man. And a red button so I can hit record. That's it. The planning that goes into it, man, it's all about the effort that you put into it. If you put into a lot of effort into learning, into writing your outline, constructing your message, and knowing what you want to say, the better your content, the better your video is gonna be. But if you just wanna buy a camera and hit record and see how it goes, I mean, that could work, could or could not work. It's up to you. But first things first, you gotta hit record, man. You can't doubt yourself, just do it. You're gonna learn by doing. I've already learned a bunch of stuff now that I'm vlogging. Before this, I'd never really edited videos, but I jumped on YouTube University, learned some things about iMovie, and now I'm making my own intros. Now I'm editing my own videos. I'm adding green screens. None of this stuff I've never done before. 9 times out of 10, prior to this, I probably would have just paid somebody to do it, but I wanted to learn something new. I think I'm in a phase or stage right now in the current time being where I'm open to learning new stuff, because everything around me is new. New house, new cars, new duty station. I'm at a new place in life. So I guess I was like, why not learn how to do something else new? Why not complement that? And this is a skill that could potentially get me paid. So not saying I'm doing it just to get paid, because I feel like my purpose is to create this content so other people can take from my experience and my personal stories and the gems that I drop and live their life and make better choices than I did. Whether that be something I'm going through right now or something I went through 10 years ago. I plan to make sure that whoever's viewing my content watch my videos and be like, all right, he did that or he said that, so that makes sense. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna try that. That's my whole purpose, I feel. So this video today, I think everybody should vlog, right? And what you do with the vlogs after that, even if you just watch them and keep them to yourself, you'll be amazed at the process that you'll go through creating this content. Because this is challenging, to say the least. Coming up with content, constructing the content, creating the content, it's not as easy as people think. And I'm not even gonna lie, I've even done it a couple times where I just picked up a camera. The first thought that I went with for the day is what I decided to make a video on, and now I'm learning that wasn't the right thing to do, and I just went and hit record. Luckily, it didn't come out too bad, but now that I'm going back and I'm learning and I'm gaining experience from hitting record and constructing outlines and figuring out what I want to say and listening to the feedback and the critiques and actually going back and watching the videos and seeing how I'm talking and how I'm coming off, it makes me want to be better. But I'm about to get to a point to where I'm just gonna delete it. Honestly, I'm gonna record the vlog, delete it, don't worry about it again, because what I do to myself is I'll critique the HE double hockey sticks out of my videos, critique it, and then try to take that to the next video. And that's not something I want to do. I don't want to get hung up on that. Like, I want the vlogs to be as good as possible, and I'm also trying to get away from being a perfectionist. Like, everything's not gonna always be perfect. I'm not gonna always have the perfect lighting. I'm not gonna always have the perfect outline. I'm not gonna always have the perfect video. It's just gotta come out. And however it comes out, I wanna capture that, because when I'm recording this, it's in real time. So it's not a script, it's an outline. It's not a script. I'm not reading word for word, line for line, what I wrote. Like, it's just, I look at my notes, and then whatever comes to my mind, whatever my brain formulates and comes out of my mouth, y'all getting that in real time. Now, granted, y'all are watching this video after it's been recorded, but in this moment right now, that's where my brain was. That's what I thought. That's how I felt about it. And I gotta ride with that. I gotta stick with it. So, and that's what I plan on doing. I think a lot of people should vlog because, as I've said previously, it's an outlet. Just going in a room, imagine going in a room, hitting record, and just talking about everything that you could imagine talking about. However long your battery lasts, that's however long you record. Whatever you got on your mind, you can say on camera. And you don't have to release it on YouTube. You don't have to release it on Twitch. Like, you can keep that footage and just watch it and go back later. Or record it, watch it, and then delete it, and then start over tomorrow. But that in itself, that is a release. A release. Now, granted, a lot of people are probably gonna use that release the wrong way, because I've seen this YouTube stuff go pretty terrible, go pretty bad. I've seen people miscommunicate. I don't want to miscommunicate at all. I don't want to be misconstrued. I plan to communicate with as much clarity and understanding as possible, so there aren't too many questions. Now, granted, I'm gonna say some things that may trip some people up, or some things that some people may not understand, and I'm here to provide that understanding. But because I understand that everybody's not gonna always see things the way I'm saying them, and they're not gonna always receive what I'm saying how I intended it to come out, or how I intended to come across, or how I intended to send that message out. So that's it. So if you're thinking about vlogging, do it. Grab a camera and do it. If you got an iPhone, even better. If you have an iPhone, hit record, download iMovie, and go from there. There's tons of videos on YouTube with people editing straight from their phone and uploading straight to YouTube straight from their phone. I feel like that's dope, but me personally, I feel like my phone, I need more room than a phone. Like, I recorded a couple videos on my phone last week, and it was okay. I didn't like it. I probably won't do it again unless necessary, unless I'm just out and I don't have my GoPro and it's something I want to capture right then and there. I'm definitely gonna take some pointers from what I learned last week. I filmed a whole video in portrait mode and not landscape, and I was upset about it. It kept me up to like 3 o'clock in the morning after I dropped that video. But that was the perfectionist in me. The video was okay. What I could have did was I probably could have turned the music down, because I have to realize that I'm not speaking into the mic that's on my cameras. I'm speaking into the mic that's on my phone, and the mic that's on my phone seemed to be a little bit lower than the ones on my cameras. And I didn't go back and listen to the video. I did a raw edit, just went back and I was like, nope, don't want to say that, nope, don't want to say that. Didn't really pay attention to anything that I was really editing. Didn't really have an eye on what I was looking for. I was just editing just to be editing for the sake of editing. But last week that kept me up all night. So the phone is cool if you know how to work it and you can make it work to your advantage, which an iPhone, it has a pretty decent camera. You just got to be mindful of recording in landscape mode versus portrait mode, and speaking more loudly and clear into your microphone, or getting a microphone attachment when you know you're gonna vlog. But it's too many resources out there for us to convey ourselves, for us to communicate, man. And I love the day and age that we're in, because anybody with something to say can put it out there, can release it. That's dope. I like the freedom to communicate. I like the creativity that comes with communicating that we have with all these apps and all these technology that we have going on today. So that's all I got for y'all today, man. If you're thinking about vlogging, like I said, just do it. Y'all saw my setup. Y'all saw what I was rocking with. There's no reason why y'all can't do it. So stay healthy, stay out the way, keep riding, keep doing your thing, express yourselves, and I'm out. Peace. North.